Kids, y'all got to get on away from me, man. It's a Tupac concert. Oh, man. This ain't no church
man,
big,
get on me, man.
Cosby Kids.
Get on, get on me. Predator.
Yo, hold up, Elvira, hold up. Now, what's up, now? This is the VIPs.
Yeah, that means very, very important people.
Hey guys, I'm Duff from MTV, and I'm here to interview Tupac for his rockumentary.
Oh, straight, yo, is Ed ever gonna see this? Yo, because, you know, I was in Virginia Beach, and I met his cousin, right? He told me, like, put some lyrics on the tape, you know, and then send it in, yo, Ed, what's up, Eddie? Yeah, check this out. Ed, I met your cousin at Virginia Beach. He told me to send a tape or something.
What is it, bro?
Man, you just broke a $150,000 camera.
Well, dude, I'm sorry. Look, I'm Tupac's manager. We'll take care of it. Now step off. Yeah, hold on.
Hold up, Rick.
Peaches and Herb. Now, what's up? Can I help you, sisters? What's up?
Tupac said our name was on the list.
Well, it ain't no list. Look, this is the thing. It ain't no list, but you can get with me and my main man, you know what I'm saying? You know, we go up to we got a little penthouse, you know what I'm saying? You know, fresh little jacuzzi, you know what I'm saying? You know, then we get we got chandeliers and stuff, you know what I'm saying? 5-star hotel. You know,
I know you're not touching me. Nobody touches me.
I don't know what you're talking about. I got an album out, too, in the Orient.
Brother, please. Hey.
Oh, that's why I'm dating pygmies now. Stuff, man. Hey, man, I'm Tupac, man.
Oh,
it's all right. He's Tupac.
Well, plus, if you was really Tupac, you'd be with Janet.
You're supposed to get the mic and stuff going stage. Girls be screaming and stuff, talking about keep your head up. Girls be hollering at you and stuff.
What they ain't doing? I ain't seen none of that.
Check this out, bro. I got a show to do, and I don't appreciate your attitude. You know, we can... Oh, I guess you're stepping to me, man. Why you... Oh, God, don't do that. Don't do that. Why? Don't make me bust you up like that.
And I don't see nobody else standing here. You must be stepping to him.
Yeah. You know what I'm going to do to you, punk? I'm going to do this... Watch yourself.
And I'm his main man. So you know he's gonna do you wrong.
Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do to you? What? Oh, well, let's get it on then. What's up? We got a problem here? Yeah, you got a problem, brother.
Yeah. You got a problem.
About all that you was talking, man, we can run it right there. You know, keep your head up. Get around.
I get around. I get around. How can you take underground?
No, man. I'm sorry, it was just a mistake, Mr. Pot. You can just come right on in, man. I'll just open the door for you. All right, straight. Park my car, square. All right.
And don't put no dent in it. And set the alarm. Hey, man.
Yo, man, what's up? Man, don't put some dishes. You sold me out, man.
No. There's another party down here, man.
Oh, straight.
You know how I get around.
Oh, you get around?
I get around.